Searching for a new job can be grueling, but a new law is trying to make the process more transparent in our state. Starting in the fall, you'll be able to see the pay and the benefits in a job posting. NBC Connecticut's Jayne Chacko explains the impact this will have on applicants and on businesses.
You hear so many horror stories of people applying and it takes months and months and they're unemployed for so long. So it just, I feel like, wastes less time if people know exactly what they're applying for.
You already have an idea of what you're, expecting going into the interview. So it's definitely a plus in my book.
Some agree that knowing how much you'll be paid and the benefits you could have could clear up some headaches when applying for jobs. Applications posted publicly and internally will soon include salary range and a general description of benefits as required by a law signed by the governor yesterday.
It's all about respect and dignity for the folks who do the work in the state.
Massachusetts, New Jersey, and New York have already enacted this law, but critics of the legislation say this isn't good for business now that the salary will be out there for everyone to see.
So by putting that information out publicly, it could make it so that it's that much harder for them to attract employees because now their competitors will know what they're offering to try to get those individuals to come work for them.
But an employment law attorney and Quinnipiac University professor says this legislation makes the hiring process more efficient by cutting down the number of resumes.
This way, at least you're getting much more serious candidates for that particular range of jobs. And so and employees can be more selective with respect to the jobs they're applying for.
This goes into effect on October 1st, and any businesses that don't comply could have to pay damages. Right now, employers are required by law to disclose a wage range upon request before or at the time of a job offer. Jayne Chacko, NBC Connecticut News.